This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use the internet browser on your Google TV. So I have this simple browser on my TV that actually works quite well. I have my URLs on the top for Google, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch. Whatever I want to go ahead and go to real quick, I even have Google Play under here. So if I want to go and access this, I can. And this is simply just called browser. So all you have to do is go back to the home screen, or you can hold down the voice remote and just type in or say browser. So let's go up to the top and then go to search and then select this and type in browser, B-R-O, and it might pop up for you. If it doesn't, just type the entire thing in. So here we go. And you're looking for this symbol where it says browser. Right here with the circle around it. You can try out this one. This is the one I like, but there's a bunch of different ones on here that you could try out to see if they're any good. I think this one might be one of the best ones, or you can try the browser TV web app right there. But if I click on this one, it's got a 4.6 out of 5. You can type in your URL right there, and you got a bunch of different settings. You got history, downloads, and then you can go through here. You can clear the browsing data. You can add a cursor on here if you want, if you're using a mouse. So yeah, it's pretty good from here if you're going to be watching something through the browser. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.